Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be making an early dinner with this beautiful fillet of wild sockeye salmon from northwestern part of the U.S. It's previously frozen. The fresh salmon season is over. It ended in early October, but this started showing up at Costco Wholesale 2 weeks ago. So I'm just going to season this with salt and pepper, and then I'm going to prepare a reduction of organic diced tomatoes with red wine and maybe some garlic, and then grill the salmon on the stovetop, and add a teaspoon of Yuzu Miso or these vinaigrettes that I've had in the refrigerator. We just season the salmon on both sides with salt and pepper. This is about 1.7 pounds. It's $9.99 a pound, which is the price for the fresh wild salmon when it was available at Costco, but it was a very spotty season. So 6 serving portions, and we're 4 people, so there might even be some leftovers, but there's nothing wrong with finishing the salmon. We have plenty of leftovers. So the thinly sliced garlic and some olive oil. Heat that until they're fragrant. And I'm going to be adding a can of the organic diced tomatoes, some red wine. So the tomato reduction is over here, boiling, some red wine, some seasonings, no salt seasoning, some seasoned pepper, some Italian dried herbs. I'm also sauteing a little organic spinach with some chicken stock, a little sesame oil, and organic no salt seasoning. The organic no salt seasoning is one of our favorites. It comes from Costco. There's 21 different ingredients in there. And then we have other no salt seasonings from Penzi spices, which you could find online. Seasoned pepper, Tuscan mix, many different kinds. So here's this stovetop grill that we have. It straddles 2 burners, medium to medium-high heat. And the salmon cooks 4 minutes on the skin side, and then flip it over 3 more minutes on the other side, and should be about medium. So the salmon's on the grill. So after 4 minutes, I'm flipping them. So you can see how concentrated the tomatoes and wine and olive oil and garlic have become. You basically boil it under cover until the liquid evaporates and thickens and concentrates. Just want like a tablespoon of the citrus, the Yuzu Miso. Don't want to overwhelm this. And then on the other fillets, again, just a little bit of the hot sauce vinaigrette. And finally this lemon vinaigrette with some herbs in it. They have it, or it's wild sockeye salmon, previously frozen. Some reduced organic diced tomatoes with yuzu, Yuzu Miso sauce, and organic spinach with no salt seasoning and garlic. Enjoy! That cooking time of 7 to 8 minutes yields a beautifully medium cooked salmon.